Choosing the correct backpacks for you will be the most difficult element of preparing for your upcoming excursion for the digital nomad. When you travel the world as a digital nomad, your backpack becomes the closest thing to a permanent home. Whether you spend 3 days or 3 months in a single location, having the appropriate backpack will make life easier, more comfortable, and more fun. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustler. Today we are going to take a look at the top 5 best digital nomad backpacks. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Hanergy Solar Backpack. Hanergy is an expert in solar energy and knows what the ideal backpacks for digital nomads looks like. This is one of the most technologically advanced digital nomad backpacks available, with enough power to charge your phone from your backpack almost as fast as from a wall outlet. It is not only one of the greatest solar backpacks available, but it is also created with travel in mind. It's waterproof and tough, with easily accessible compartments and pockets. It has hip straps for added support, and Hanergy has produced backpacks in a variety of sizes to ensure that there is a solar-powered backpack to suit your needs. Number 4. Helly Hansen Stockholm Backpack. This backpack is an ideal alternative for anyone seeking a high-quality, fashionable, and water-resistant backpack. You adore the design of this backpack. It's big enough to hold everything you need without being too big, and the laptop compartment is just right. The straps are fully adjustable and extremely comfortable. One of the most significant advantages of this backpack is that it is entirely waterproof. This makes it extremely convenient for digital nomads, as you won't be caught out in poor weather. The only draw is that there is no inside pocket or divider, and the straps are a little too wide for a woman, but this backpack is a fantastic pick for anyone seeking for a fashionable and functional backpack. Number 3. Nomatic Backpack. This bag was created specifically for digital nomads. For starters, it's composed of a waterproof, robust material that allows you to take it absolutely anywhere while still looking professional and suitable for business meetings. Because it is extendable, it falls into the not too big, not too tiny category. Depending on your needs, you may effortlessly switch between a knapsack and a briefcase. This bag is easy to organize because it zips all the way around, allowing you quick access to all of your stuff within. It also includes 20 separate pockets, each with a specific function: padded laptop pockets, notepad pockets, and sunglasses pockets, but also security pockets and secret pockets for enhanced security. It's a very well thought out bag with a lot of attention to detail. This is a must-have backpack for digital nomads. Number 2. Tortuga Outbreaker Daypack. Tortuga makes some of the greatest backpacks on the market, and their digital nomad bag is no exception. It's made for individuals on the go, and it's packed with features that make life a bit easier. The Outbreaker Daypack is large enough to carry all of your day's requirements, yet small enough to fit neatly into your main luggage when traveling. It is completely waterproof, so you won't have to worry about the weather before you leave, and it has enough room for your laptop and other essentials. Number 1. Osprey Porter 30. The Osprey brand has an outstanding reputation among digital nomads for a reason. Osprey bags are well-designed, high-quality bags that are made to last without sacrificing weight. Aside from being a stylish backpack, the Porter 30 provides numerous storage choices, including a padded laptop sleeve at the back of the bag, which makes it simple to remove at airport security. The huge U-zip access to the main compartment is perfect for finding stuff and packing, and there is ample capacity for 4 to 5 days away. A separate laptop area is located in the back, as well as a front organizer panel and a front top pocket for smaller goods. Once packed, utilize the convenient compression straps to keep everything together and carry it as a duffel in suitcase mode, or open up the back panel to access the backpack straps. Most people find it quite comfortable to carry, although it is not ideal for those with narrow shoulders. So, which is your favorite backpack as a digital nomad and why? Please let us know in the comment section down below, as we love reading your comments. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. If so, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.